Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class of English. I hope all of you are fine and safe there. Are you enjoying this online learning? Yeah, fine. Last class we revised lesson 1. I also gave a worksheet on the topic. I hope all of you will learn and do it properly. And today we will discuss lesson 6, going to the zoo. My dear children, have you ever visited a zoo? Yes, I know that all of you have visited a zoo. What can you see there? What can you see there? First of all, we can see a ticket counter. After that, a ticket collector. Right? Then we can see different kinds of wild animals and birds. Am I right? Yeah. What all kinds of animals? Can you name some animals and birds? Yeah. Lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, monkey. Then what else? Fox. Then birds such as eagle, peacock, etc. Right? Yeah. And now we will discuss about Jyoti, who is visiting the zoo with her parents. Before that, we shall do an interesting activity. Shall we? Yeah. So all of you take page number 25. Here you can see some dots. You have to join the dots, and after that you will get a picture of a bird. You have to name the bird here. Okay. Now let us go to the lesson. Lesson 6. Going to the zoo. We can see the picture of Jyoti, mother, father. We can also see the picture of zoo. Can you see zoo? Yeah. So, father, mother and Jyoti go to the zoo. Jyoti says that, I am so happy. Why Jyoti is so happy? Because they are going to the zoo. Father, mother, Jyoti go to the zoo. I am so happy. Underline the word happy. The ticket collector gives Jyoti a cap. Thank you, sir. Do you want cotton candy? Yes, ma. Jyoti loves cotton candy. So what did the ticket collector give? The ticket collector gives Jyoti a cap. Underline the word ticket collector. What does Jyoti say then? Yeah, Jyoti says thank you. What does mother buy for Jyoti? What does mother buy for Jyoti? Mother buys cotton candy because Jyoti loves cotton candy very much. Next, Jyoti looks up at the tree. Look at those monkeys. They are swinging from the tree. That monkey is eating a banana. So when Jyoti looks up at the tree, she saw some monkeys and they are swinging from the tree. What is the meaning of swinging? Swinging means moving from side to side. The father says that, look at those monkeys. They are swinging from the tree. Jyoti says, that monkey is eating a banana. That monkey is eating a banana. So do one thing. Underline cotton candy, monkeys, swinging, eating, banana. Next, a baby elephant has a long nose. It is called a trunk. He holds things with his trunk. So next, Jyoti sees a baby elephant. It has a long nose. All of you have seen the nose of an elephant. What is it called? It is called a trunk. And what is the use of this trunk? All the elephants use these trunks to hold things. To hold things. To catch things. Underline the word elephant and trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. My dear children, do you know who is the ticket collector? Ticket collector is a person who checks tickets and permit us to get inside the zoo. Okay. So ticket collector is a person who checks tickets and permit us to get inside the zoo. Let us recollect the topic that we take today. That is going to the zoo. The main characters are Jyoti, father, mother. Right? Yeah. Where do they go? Yes, they go to zoo. What does the ticket collector give Jyoti? Yeah, a cap. What does the mother give? Mother gives cotton candy. Then, what about the elephant? The elephant has a long nose. What does it called? Yeah, it is called trunk. And what is the use of this trunk? Trunk is used to hold things. Right? Jyoti also sees some other animal. What are they? Yes, they are some monkeys. And one monkey is eating banana. Right? Yeah. So all of you read the lesson up to page number 26 at least 5 times and go through the difficult words. Okay? So we shall take the next topic on the next day. Till then, take care. Bye.